Depende sa sitwasyon. Kung halimbawa, light lang, halimbawa yung flirt lang, nag-flirting sa ibang asawa, we take it lightly. Pero yung mga mabibigat na sitwasyon o relasyon na very private, hinaayaan lang natin. We just keep quiet.
That's my point eh. Kasi these are private relationship ng mga tao. Ang point, may question ko, ma'am, is yung bang may mga talk shows na dwelling more onto the private, hindi ba yung mga pribadong buhay ng mga ganito at nagiging talk show at sinasama sa kanilang mga talk shows. Ito ba yung kasama rin sa tinututukan ninyo? O hindi na masyado?
Sometimes.
But do you think we need to?
I think so.
Yes, especially the mga teenagers, di ba?
Yes, that's why we have this choirate, the young arm of the Daughters of Mary Immaculate. These are composed of young girls, and when we meet them, we discuss with them about morality at their early age, so they can get ideas and values from us, their mother unit, and maybe they can help us through their team or through avoiding to watch some shows which are not so good for them to watch.
Gano'n na ho ba kalaki ang Daughters of Mary natin?
Oh, it is an national. All regions are represented and they have different circles. That is the smallest unit, but it is the most important unit of the international, Daughters of Mary International. Because without the circle, the national ideas and goals cannot be met.
Yes, and yung mga miyembro natin, mga nanonood ngayon, okay? Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ma'am, yung tinatanong ko rin dito is that, okay, moralidad. Kasi kailangan talaga nitong, sa panahon po ba ngayon, sa tingin ninyo, nawawala na ang moralidad, especially sa media?
Medyo loose. Pero, pag naitama naman,
and that's your job actually, ginagawa nyo. What do you say about it?
I think that is, hindi naman totally nawawala kasi sa media, yung mga shows na dapat bigyan ng pansin, na hindi masyadong maganda para sa mga kabataan o sa mga kababaihan, sa pamilya, ay tinututukan dapat. At meron din mga magagandang pinapanood, kagaya ko yung mga magagandang show, ay hindi ko nakakaligta ang panoorin kahit may trabaho ako. I always, and I tell my children and other people that they are good shows.
Kayo rin ho ba yung typical na pag nakita nyong hindi maganda yung palabas, sinasabi niya, ina-advise nyo rin yung mga kasama natin, you're not supposed to watch that kind of,
Well, after many times of viewing a certain show, and I personally believe that should not be for young ones, especially, that's the time, not all show. I do not prohibit anyone.
Okay, pwede nyo bang bigyan ng mensahe ang ating mga tagapanood, yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon? Kasi tayo tumatagkilik Kasi ako, I believe na kung hindi ko natin tatangkilikin yung mga shows na talaga namang sa pag-iisip natin ay nagbibigay ng immoralidad o nagbibigay ng immoral example sa ating sa atin mismo, tayo na mismo ang huwag na tumangkilik, di ba? Kung walang tatangkilik, walang show. So, para sa inyo, ma'am?
Yung magandang umaga po, yung Daughters of Mary ay nandito para mag-anyaya ng
karunungan, para sa mga nanonood.
Okay? At yung pong mga ibang show na sa palagay natin ay hindi pure, bahala na po tayong mag-judge doon. At
huwag na lang natin takilikin. That's the very point doon. Huwag na natin takilikin yung mga shows na talaga namang immoralidad na ibibigay sa atin. Ma'am, what is the vision and mission of Daughters of Mary Immaculate para maging ito ang nakikita nilang dito kayo tumutungtong para ang moralidad ng ating ng media ay ma-preserve.
well, this is an association of Catholic women, and we are committed to serve not only for the country but for the families as well, especially the women, upliftment of women in the country. So we have mandated missions approved by our the late eminent Cardinal Sin, who
Yes,
gave us
yes.
the approval. And these four missions are for pro-life, upliftment of women workers, morality in media, and also for the assistance to the families of prisoners.
Okay.
So in this, we have a lot of activities to do, monthly, annually, yearly, through the quarterly way.
Okay.
And the best that we do we do are for this upliftment of pro-life demonstration of different skills training. We go to the Bulabi Youth Jail, where a mass is said with the chaplain for the prisoners.
And yung
there
mga
are,
activities na-
yeah, monthly, quarterly, there are 150 inmates there. And we give them rosaries. And there is a lecture that we do to them about values to uplift their morale.
That is very important. Ang ating mga values, talagang dapat nating sundin pa rin. Kasi hindi naman po tayo mapapanuto kung hindi natin sundin ang mga pilit ng mga nakatatanda. Okay? And ma'am, good luck sa inyo. Kailangan po natin, especially ng media, ng organisasyon na katulad nyo, who would always remind us of the people, especially televiewers, that we should observe, ipagpatuloy natin ang tamang moralidad dito sa ating mass media.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Yes,
for
ma'am.
giving us this occasion and time.
Opo.
We hope more ladies will join the Daughters of Mary Immaculate International.
Okay, sa mga miyembro po ng Daughters of Mary Immaculate na nanonood sa amin ngayon, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at huwag po kayong alas at magbabalik pa ko ang Chika.